The reopening of Spotify Camp Nou is drawing near. Renovations are progressing steadily, and the Catalans are hopeful of returning to their iconic stadium by the end of the year. FC Barcelona is pushing forward with the works to meet their goal of playing matches at the stadium before 2024 ends. President Joan Laporta is eager to see the team return to the revamped venue, and the visible progress suggests that the coming months will be crucial to ensuring everything is ready. Recent developments have focused on the structure of the third tier, where workers are nearing completion of the pillars and beams that will encircle the stadium. While some areas of the grandstand still require work, the reinforcement for the pillars supporting the stand's weight is already being installed. A significant milestone is the installation of the first brackets that will support the terrace of the VIP area's first ring. Construction of the stands, connecting the second tier to the VIP section, has also begun. Externally, the grandstand has seen substantial progress, with key spaces like the dressing rooms, mixed zone, press room, shop, and catering facilities nearing street level. In another positive development, vehicle access has been opened on Travessera de l'École, accelerating work on the south goal. Pavement and bus lane closures on the street have allowed a crane to operate smoothly, ensuring continued progress. The parking area, set to offer 3,000 spaces, remains the least advanced part of the project. But this is not a concern, as it isn't expected to be operational until after the stadium reopens. Barcelona is also keeping fans updated on the renovations. The club has launched a refreshed website dedicated to Espai Barça, providing a detailed look at the project's progress. This initiative by the Blaugrana board aims to redevelop the stadium and its surroundings, including the addition of an auditorium, sports facilities, and a new Palau Blaugrana. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.